Alright guys, so today it's Croatia versus France, final of World Cup 2018, and it's just in a couple of hours. So today, both would be predicting who will win the World Cup final. And now I would be back with Bolt, and he will just predict. Let's see if he gets it right. Alright guys, this is for those people who will say that it was recorded after the World Cup. Time right now in Pakistan 3:30, and the World Cup will start today. The final World Cup will start today at 8 p.m. Alright, now it's time to reveal what will Bolt predict. Croatia versus France. Croatia on the left, France on the right. Let's see. Bolt, wait. Alright. Bolt, sit. He went for Croatia first. So his predictions are that Croatia will win the final.